welcome to Essential RC. I'm Trevor.
I'm Finn.
Today we're doing a special project for Dom from Essential. We've been given the Dancing Wings Hobby FD12. It's a 1.2 metre DLG glider. It's a kit. It's called the Windrunner. So we're going to do an unboxing video, just show you what you get in the box. So what is a DLG glider then, Finn?
It is a discus launch glider. If you see the people that spin around and throw a plane in the air, it's one of these.
Yeah, in a kit form. So it's a very small box, so you just automatically assume it's not going to be a big glider, but it is actually a 1.2 metre wingspan.
And I think the traditional DLG, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but from memory they'll normally work around 1.5 to composite ones. So it's quite a nice in between.
So this is the first time you've seen in the box. So this kit here, actually you can order different variants, and so you can choose whether you want the covering with it or whether you want servos. This kit we've been supplied, we've got two, I think they're 9-gram servos. Don't know if they're digital or analog yet, but we'll find out when we power those up.
Carbon covering.
Yeah, it comes with the covering, so that's a nice first, isn't it? I think it's the first time I've actually had a kit to put together. It's come with these things.
Or Dancing Wing stickers. I love stickers, as you can tell by some of my planes.
Yeah, so it comes with stickers. Right, this is a very unusual thing to get in a kit as well. So I'll let you open that up. You can show the camera.
So I think I know what this is. Yeah. So this is a carrying bag from memory. You put the glider in it. I think you take the wings off from memory, and you put it in there for like traveling with it. It's quite cool.
Fact, this is quite a good. It's got a nice printed picture on it. That's what the glider will look like when it's built. So that's a really nice feature actually. So the good thing about this glider, it does break down to fit in the bag. So you can take it away on holiday, or it won't take up a lot of space. So sometimes when we've been flying in the evening, you get some really good weather for gliding, don't you?
Yeah.
So we've got a bag. It looks like there's hardware in there. Do you want to open up the bag and then we can look at the individual parts in there? I think there was a blade there.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, I just realised actually it comes with 3 different colours of solar film, so we can do it exactly how it is on the box. All right, we've got a nice pack of balsa wood here. Everything looks like it's laser cut and well labelled. We'll open this up in a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. So we've got some carbon fibre bits. So even though this is a balsa DLG glider, quite a lot of the construction uses carbon fibre for weight saving, give a nice rigid airframe. So there's some nice bits of carbon fibre in there. The tail beam looks really nice. It's got like a matte effect carbon. That's going to look really smart with those colours together, isn't it?
Yeah, well this is what was in that hardware thing.
Okay.
Oh, I have no clue what half of the stuff is.
Okay, so I won't open up this bag, but it looks like you've got the tail support there. And you've got the hinges, and there's some screws and some clevises for the linkages.
Then we've got these are like arms, I think. Yeah, arms and horns. These would be quite handy.
Yeah, they're nicely laser cut as well.
Yeah, well, I think these are carbon as well.
Yeah, I think they might be. They're carbon, so you've got like what do you call that? A wing brace that gives you the correct dihedral on the wings.
Yeah.
Okay, there's not a lot left in the box now.
Oh.
So, do you know what this is, Finn?
It's a push rods.
Yeah, it's the 2 push rods. So where you've got the carbon fibre tail tube, the push rods have little guides, and it just neatly goes along the tail. Okay, we're nearly there. I'm just going to move the box so we can lay things out. So it comes with an instruction manual, nicely printed in colour. It's got English writing on there. I'll just show you that briefly.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it is cool, isn't it? Sorry, that noise is the dog drinking water. Never worked with dogs or pets or children or animals, they say.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Yeah. So it looks like we've got a plan to build from. So this will give you an idea on the size of the wings then.
Man, bigger than I thought.
It is quite big, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera, but it gives you the plans basically to build the left and the right hand wing and a side view of the fuselage so you can see where all the formers go. So this will be handy to build on. I think, well, I've had a brief look already. We won't need the plans to build the fuselage because it's all like laser cut. I think it's just a case of building it nice and square. So we'll put that to one side. That's an actual fact. I'm going to put that down here. All right. Should we get the bolster out? You've got that blade.
Oh yeah, I do. There you go.
Okay, we'll just show you some of these bits. We won't go mad because I'm sure you won't want to see every single panel. But we'll just show you like roughly what's in here. Also, we can it gives us a good chance to see like the quality in the balsa wood. So I do a lot of building, and you can really tell sometimes the quality on a kit just by the wood they supply. So we're having a look. What I'm looking for is that all the sheets aren't warped, they're nice and straight. And the laser cutting's been done correctly. So it's all held together with masking tape. So you've got some thicker ply formers. These look like these are for the main wing roots. So you see it's all labelled W1. That looks like this is the fuselage. That'll give you an idea on the shape of the fuselage. They have that with the tube, give you an idea on the size.
That's nice.
It's a good size, isn't it?
Yeah, not bad. Oh, I like that honeycomb.
Yeah, this is a nice finish. So this is balsa now, but you can see they've like really neatly cut like a honeycomb finish in the tail section.
Nice.
Again, everything's so clearly labelled. It looks like it's really well laser cut, to be honest. So far, all the wood looks really good quality. Lots of wing ribs.
Yeah, lots.
Where when you're doing building like this, if everything's nicely laser cut, it saves so much time. So we've got some really thin wood now.
Really? Oh my god.
So that must be the decking for possibly the wing and the fuselage.
Ooh, that's
do you want to show that bit to the camera?
It is the honeycomb. I don't know what parts these are. I take it elevator and rudder. Oh no, this is elevator, I think. Oh man,
there's quite a few. I don't know why there's
maybe like spares or something.
I don't know. Or maybe different options.
Or maybe they're like layer on layer, maybe.
Yeah, they might be layered. So look at the instructions. But yeah, look, they're really nicely cut out. So
yeah, look, this is it. All out. Looks really nice.
That pretty much fell out the framework, didn't it?
It did.
So yeah, we're nearly there. We'll just show you one more piece. These are the wing spars. Again, they're all notched out, so you can't put the ribs in the wrong place. So building it from that plan should be really simple. The plan is literally just going to be as a guide, just so that you can sort of build it nice and straight. So we won't need a lot to actually put this kit together. We just need some basic tools like a knife, sanding blocks, some glue, a set square.
Yeah.
Make sure that we build everything as straight and even as possible. So yeah, once we've got it all built, the only things we need to actually get it flying is going to be a receiver
and a
battery pack for the receiver. So yeah, it should be a good fun build project. So
I'm excited.
Yeah. So just to let you know what this is again. So it's by Dancing Wings Hobby, and it's called the Windrunner. It's a 1.2 meter DLG glider kit.
That's really nice.
Thanks for watching.
Adios.
Adios.